Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And as usual, I'm always grateful for you stopping by to watch my videos. And so in today's video, I'm going to share with you how we get to spend with my babies, and of course what I'm cooking for them for today's lunch. I'm going to recook ugali that we ate the previous day during supper, and a chicken. I'm going to slaughter the hen, and here we do eat every part of the hen except the feathers. As my babies are busy playing, I have something to share with my online family. So I'm on a mission of meeting my paternal family. When I started posting videos on YouTube, that is how I met one. For me, I grew up under the care of my maternal family, and I will always thank my mom for having a good relationship with her siblings and her mom, because after her demise, this is the family that took care of me and provided me everything. And I will always praise them and thank them for everything that they did in my life. And for my paternal family, I know nothing about them. I've never met them. I've never seen them. It's just that we met recently online. And they have invited me for an event, which I'm not sure if I'll get a chance of attending it. I'll have to request my guardians, and if they accept me to attend the event, I will share with you the journey. I can't go against their will, because this is the family that really sacrificed for my survival. washing, then let it boil for some time. I'll make stew from it. I'm also going to wash the intestines of this hen, then we'll roast and eat it. Our today's meal is ready and my kids are here enjoying it. Thanks to everyone who have watched our video. Kindly, if you've not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button and see you again in our